Bizee or Bizee, formerly Inc. File, makes one part of starting a business much easier, dealing with the paperwork. You choose your business type, you pick your entity here, you pick the state, and just click start my business. And then you fill up the information, and the Bizee handles the filing process. For first time entrepreneurs, that convenience can save time and prevent the headache of figuring out which forms go where. Its biggest strength is accessibility. The platform is designed to walk beginners through the process without requiring them to understand every detail of business formation. But here's the catch: forming an LLC is something you can technically do yourself. Busy doesn't magically create a business. You're paying for convenience, guidance, and someone else handling the paperwork. The other issue is the checkout process. The basic service may look inexpensive, but optional add ons can make it easy to pay for services you may not actually need. Busy is worth it if you value convenience and want help navigating the LLC formation process. But if you're comfortable filing directly with your state, you can potentially save money by skipping the middleman entirely.